So here we are. Our door handle has completely become fucked.
Yeah, I need that bit in it. Oh, so. You just sat in it, push all the way in it.
We cannot get in or out.
It's almost chow time.
It's almost chow time. So we gotta hurry. we gotta.
We're in a time limit here.
We gotta hurry and destroy our door handle.
Okay, man, what could this shit happen in our PT?
I know. Mr. Kusky and Slave working hard as hell.
Alright.
Oh shit! We have two slaves outside burning alive. They're trying to do their best.
Got a half broke door. You should see this door in here, or the door handle.
Oh my god, man.
I think there's no hope of us getting out of here no more. I want to take the hinges out, bro.
Take the whole fucking door off.
Probably hard. They're probably like pressed in together.
Yeah. Sweet Jesus.
Nobody's touching anything. Throw it up. Huh? Sweet Jesus. Is there like MOS for this in the Army that we could find? Indoors?
Yeah, let's not make this an MOS out of this shit. Mr. Morgan, do you have any words of encouragement, sir?
He's like, no, you're right.
Like I said, the Army's not equipped to deal with this kind of issue. We're going to have to bring in a door specialist.
Yes. And by a
Who
specialist...
probably makes 5 times as much money as us.
Yes.
Specialize in locksmithing.
A civilian, right?
Oh yes.
Yes.
Oh yes. That's
Well,
the only solution I have.
Whoa.
well, sir, you should have told me you were gonna open that, because I would have got on that camera. But
I didn't know it was gonna explode.
look at this mess this man just made. You better lick that up, slave. No repercussions. Was that a root beer?
Yeah, that was frozen.
Sweet.
Worst case scenario, how much food, water do you have in here?
I got 8 Gatorade shakes, 68.
Come on, make some magic. I got this on. I'm recording it right now. Let's see some epic shit.
What did he say?
I don't know. Something about a bottle of water or some shit.
What?
Could you squeeze some water out here?
Shit. Just got my new power cord. Alright.
We just hear the attempts at the doorknob just like slowly fade off and hear the thumps of their bodies. It just slides to the ground.
Hello, sir. Alright.
Come on, we're starving in here. No, we're not.
Oh, dude, where'd you get the, whose Gatorade things are these?
Class 1.
Yeah.
Are they yours?
Who's playing around, not being able to.
Is it still not working?
Excuse me. Some motherfucking...
I'm not touching anything. God damn. Don't touch it. Don't touch it. Every time you said that, nobody was touching anything.
It's like their brains can't comprehend that the door might not be working.
No one's touching anything. You gotta speak louder. The camera's not picking your voice up. What is this? I've never figured. I guess it's to cover the hole.
That'd be helpful right now.
Yeah.
Jesus Christ.
Fucking massacre. Oh shit. Little thingies.
Who left the do-rag? I do not wear do-rags.
It probably is. I think, didn't you say something about that this morning when you were like waking up and shit? Did you just smell it?
I was gonna put it on my head.
Yeah.
And walk in there, but it might be kind of sweaty, so I don't know if
He'd probably be like, what the?
What the?
That's him just kick it down.
Mr. Rupert is not here, is he?
No. Or is he?
There's his Jack Shack.
Is he in there?
When are you gonna get your Jack Shack up? Jack Shack up?
I don't need one. I like to do it.
Oh yeah, you got the real thing, sir.
Yeah, that's what I thought. I need a sack. Go whenever needs. Hey girl, what's up? No. I didn't think I needed one of those until Morgan's light was on for a few hours one night and I couldn't sleep.
Oh yeah. Like last night was.
Yeah.
Like last night.
Let's just keep the light out. That's all it is.
Sure.
This is a true Jack Shack
Dude,
right here.
Last night I had it tucked away.
Still pretty damn bright, man. It's the only light source in the room. Everything else is dark.
You guys. I
Sorry.
can sleep with these lights on and everyone talking.
Sorry.
I can still go to sleep. Alright, because I'm adapt. I adapt.
Are you having any
And
luck?
I overcome. So you telling me I should piss in a bottle? Here we have the source of all of Posado's anguish. The chocolate and caramel crunch.
Goddamn rapper sound and shit last night.
I will now demonstrate to you the sound Posado had to deal with last night as he was trying to sleep at 1 o'clock in the morning.
Let's hear this fucking bullshit, sir.
Hey, kick the door, Posado.
Alright. Go. 1, 2, 3.
Wow. Hold on, guys.
I can't believe we're doing this shit, man. Damn. Oh, you're getting there.
Reach.
Sweet Jesus.
What about stack on the door?
Yeah, we gotta break the fucking door down, dude.
Does that help at all?
What do we have that can be used as a battering ram?
Fire extinguisher.
How about
Sounds
Vector's
like,
new TV?
Don't know.
Got a hammer. Oh shit. Sorry about that.
Don't be alarmed, people. This is their side of the room. It's a mess. And this is our side. It's less of a mess, except Morgan's area. Sergeant Smith. Oh, Sergeant Smith's area is a little messy. But nonetheless, we could walk around. Alright, Mr. Laputka comes out of his cave. Save the day.
I don't know what to do. We need to hit the door very hard. Something very large.
Oh!
Pull it out. Pull the doorknob out.
Shit.
Yeah. Okay.
Dude.
There is no handle.
The handle's gone! The handle is gone, sir.
Oh shit. Sweet mother of God.
Oh, fuck, man.
Well, would you use the hammer and like pried it off?
Hi.
Hey, speak the camera. Yeah, let me see.
There's a guy out there with a mustache.
A mustache?
Yeah.
That's interesting.
See.
It might be.
I could see a staff sergeant out there.
Oh, yeah?
Sorry, my bad. Yeah, there's a whole bunch of people.
Oh, I'm sure there is fucking crowding around.
What's going on here? What's
This
everybody
shit doesn't happen every day.
No. Fucking A, man. Now we got.
Just in case I don't make it out of this, Mom, I miss you. But I did well.
Yeah, he did his best.
I did my best.
There's nothing left.
Look at all the battle scars on the. How is it still not opening? What the fuck is blocking this shit?
It's the actual mechanism.